Hello guys, Nishin here with another video. You're watching Secured Portfolio. Today I have come with a very powerful strategy that will change your entire ideas about trading. So you may have seen in several WhatsApp group or Telegram channels how the traders are making profit. They will be sharing you the screenshot of 50,000 profit, 60,000 profit in a day. So they are not going to tell you the secret behind that, but they will be charging you for the calls, and they may be charging you for the paid lectures that they are having. So today you are going to learn that secret for free. So stay tuned, make sure you watch the entire video till the end, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. So let's watch. So guys, let's see our chart. Okay, I'll be explaining this strategy in futures, Nifty future, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Why Nifty and Bank Nifty? That it is very easy to make money in these two indices, but because that you don't need to go behind several stocks. You don't need to go and put it in the watch list every day. You don't need to go for 10 20 stocks of things. It is very easy just to monitor two stocks every day. You do the trading in this, it is very easy. Okay, so we are in the Trading View platform. If you do not know what is Trading View, do let me know. We will make a separate video on Trading View, how to use it and all. And if you do not have an account in Trading View, it's not a problem. There will be link in the description. Okay, just click on that and make an account on this. It's a very good platform, and it's absolutely free. And there are several tools that is available in the Trading View for in a paid version. And if you are opening the account through my link that is in the description, you will be getting $30 as an opening bonus. Okay guys, so let's see. Okay, this is a chart I've opened. It's actually the 30 minutes. Okay, I'll move to the daily chart. Okay, the daily chart will look like this. I will just zoom out. Okay, see, this is the chart. Okay, from here in the Trading View, from where you will get the strategy, you can see FX. Okay, move the mouse there and it will be showing indicators and strategies. Okay, just open it, just type parabolic. Yeah, it's coming there, parabolic SAR. Okay, it's the first one. There are several strategies that is built by other traders that is also available with in here. Okay, but it will be getting confused. There will be several indicators inside that one. So make sure that you click on the first one, that is a symbol parabolic SAR. Just click over it. Okay, so you will be getting several dots like this. Okay, I'll just change the color. Come here, this is the indicator that we have kept. Okay, you see the gear button here, settings, just click on that. Here you can change the color if required. I'll change the color for easy understanding. Okay, I'll change the thickness also. If you want to change the style of this, you can make line, you can make step line, histogram, you can do several things here. Better we'll put the cross. Okay, I don't want to make it a very messy thing in the chart. Okay, so you can see here several dots, right? From this, if you look very closely, it is very easy to understand. See, from here if you look the dots, from here it has come to the bottom. Actually, parabolic SAR is indicator that is indicating the reversal of the trend. From here it was coming down actually. Okay, at this point it got reverse. This is a daily chart. You can see I press D here. Okay, one day daily chart. This is the 3rd November, this is the 4th November. At the 3rd November, or you can say the 4th November, the trend has been reversed. There was coming several red candles, and from here it got reverse in the 4th one. So if you are looking on the 5th of November, or in the 4th of November, it will be getting reversed. At that time you can enter in a long position, you can buy this future and you can hold it. If you are checking on a daily chart, you are supposed to hold it for a long time till the expiry, or you take some profit and you can get the profit and leave it. Okay, so if you are a guy that wants to take the delivery, do not want to do the intraday, you can go for a daily chart and put the same indicator will be the same. You can buy from here from the 4th of November when it got reverse. Okay, and keep holding it till when, until now also it is showing on the upper side. So you don't need to wait till it get reversed. Okay, if you are in a very good profit, you can obviously you can sell it off and take the profit. Do not want to take risk. Okay, but I also just advise you to take profit. From here you can see, from here up to where it gone, 11,829. Okay, from there it went almost where it went almost 12,000 to 800, almost 1,000 points it has been moved. How many days? Not even 10 days. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, last 10 days, 1,000 points. It's easy money. 1,000 points if you are buying one lot, even one lot. Okay, one lot, how much it will cost? Maybe 1.5 lakh or 2 lakh for a future. Okay, it will cost only that much. Okay, you can take the delivery from here up to 1,000 points. One lot is 75 numbers. 75 of Nifty into 1,000 points is 75,000. Well, you are putting, investing only 1.5 lakh, you are taking almost 50% of profit in 10 days. From where you will get this? That is why I am suggesting you Nifty future and Bank Nifty future. Okay, this is the case for a delivery option. If you want to take delivery, this is the right option. Okay, suppose you are not doing delivery thing, you want to go for an intraday. Okay, the same thing, same strategy, I am not changing anything. I will just move the candle from the daily to 30 minutes. Okay, I put the candle to 30 minutes. The chart will be something like this. I will zoom. Okay, okay, this will be like this. Okay, take the case of 20th November. The last trading day was 20th November. Okay, I'm making this video on 21st. Okay, 20th November. Okay, from where it started, 20th November. 20th November, from here you can see it is on upper side. You can take a not a delivery, you can sell it off. If it is on the upper side, it is going down, the chart will be going down. As you can see here, from here up to here it already went down. Okay, or if when you are starting the day, it was already on, there is no reversal. Actually, it has happened in the previous day and it is still there itself. If you do not want to take any risk, do not make anything, just wait for the reversal. Okay, from here up to here it went down. Okay, daily you make one trade or maximum two trade from this. Okay, so up to here there was no trade. Okay, if you are thinking like that, there is no trade, or else you can take a trade in the morning itself. It is coming down, but there is a chance of a reversal at any time, so you will not be getting much points. So just wait till the reversal. If there is no reversal, just leave it, do not do any kind of trade. Okay, from here you can see there is a reversal. Okay, here this 30 minutes chart, from here at 130 there is a reversal. So 130 you can buy somewhere around here, 809 up to where it went up to where 907. From 812 around 100 points in a half an hour time, 100 points. If you are buying in intraday, maybe you will be buying 2 lots, 5 lots, 4 lots, whatever it is. 100 points means several thousand, 50,000, 60,000 you are going to get. Okay, it's not a small amount of money. The same amount of money you are taking for delivery, you can get around 5 lot, minimum 5 lot you will get for intraday. One lot will cost you around 35,000 or 38,000. It will come below 40,000. Some brokers are even giving for 20,000. Okay, so it depends on your broker how much margin they are giving. Okay, so if you do not want to make a delivery and you do not want to keep till the end of the month, daily you take profit. Even Do not expect every day you will get this reversal. No, there is no chance. We know that it was very down in the previous days and it is coming up. So you will be getting more and more upside and downside. There will be more reversal. Okay. So in these days, if you have been trading for 1 or 2 months, okay, in the previous month and the other months, that has given you so many profit. This strategy itself, it is being used by several people. So it is a very good strategy that all of you can try. Okay, and I will show you what is the difference with this and MACD. Almost all the people know what is MACD, and they will be getting a reversal on the MACD also. So I will show you MACD. You see the difference of MACD and this parabolic SAR. Okay, parabolic SAR, I'm not going what is behind the formula behind this thing. Okay, there is no use of it. Just need to, everything is coming on your skin. Why you need a formula? Okay, just to, some people will give you formula and all. I'm not that kind of person. That it is not useful, so don't use alas. Okay, so you see here, this is the MACD. What is this indicating? Going up or down? What is indicating? It is not indicating anything. You're just confusing you. If you look on this, and you will be in very much trouble. That how I will do sell or buy. What you will do? Cannot understand anything. From here you see, it's a clear indication. It is going upside. That is the difference between MACD and this thing. There is so much confusion over here. It's clearly indicating where it is going. Clear, very clear. What is a parabolic? Very clear. From here up to here, you see how much movement is there. But what is the MACD is showing? MACD, so much of people that traders, that the people that you are doing YouTube, they will show you MACD. There is several other types of indicators are there, but they will not show you this thing. I don't know if they do not know this or they do not want to show you. But this is a very powerful strategy. All of you just have a look at this and just make, at least do a paper trading and just see by yourself. And if you think that is very good and worth the money, then you can invest in it. Okay, so that was Nifty. So I will be showing the same thing in the Bank Nifty also. Let's move on to the Bank Nifty. See the Bank Nifty. Okay, see here also very easy to understand. What else you require? Nothing else you require. You see, do not put MACD and all, and do not confuse yourself. This is very easy. From here you see, from here to here, where it is moving. See, 19th, how big movement it has given. How big movement. 19th. From here you see, from 13th to 14th. Even from 14th starting, where it is moving. Very good strategy. See the chart on the daily. If you are holding this thing on a daily, on a delivery basis, see from where it is started. November started from here. Okay, 2nd of November. It's clear indicating upside. If you have bought this here at 24,000, where it is, it has went up to 29,000, almost 30,000. How many points? 6,000 points. How much you have made profit from this? It's a very good strategy and very powerful one. Okay, so I advise all of you to just have a look at it and just try yourself. Okay, do not put all of your money in this thing. Just move some little money and try this strategy. If it is working out, do comment in my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to share it to your friends. Okay, if you know about this strategy, you just share it. By sharing, you will be gaining more knowledge only. There's nothing to lose. Okay, so that's it for today. So I'll be coming with another video. So stay tuned. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.